What to do, everybody? Moto Muscle here, about to ride up to the shop and meet up with some guys ride with that I met on YouTube. See how this one goes. I know he has the M4 exhaust on his bike, and we have the same model other than the color. But I'll see how it sounds, and if I like it, I'm gonna get that jank because it sounds sick online. So, but I did just install the Yoshi frame sliders. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but I can, so hopefully you can. And also I'm testing out my friend. He has the Icon Contra jacket. It's the all-weather jacket. It has a zip-in, zip-out liner. So whenever it's hot, you zip it out, and it's just straight up textile, like so. Has elbow armor, back armor, forearms armor, and so far I can feel some wind blowing in there. Just wanted to test it out because that Alpine jacket that I have is mostly meant for racing. I feel like it doesn't give you that much range of motion. I know you don't really want range of motion, but you don't want to be uncomfortable either. And I feel like with that jacket, it kind of locks you in a position where you can't really do much moving, which is good for racing, but I don't exactly race. I just ride around town, to school, to work, just riding around having fun. But it's a great jacket, don't get me wrong, but it's not, I feel like it's not for everyday riding, which is what I do. But it's great in the winter. I've worn it in the summer because it is a perforated leather. But anyway, but this Icon jacket, it's the Contra, and so far I'm feeling a lot of airflow, so I still have the protection I need if I were to take a spill. And I have the range of motion. Now granted, this jacket is a 3X, and I would probably wear an extra large, so I'm sure it'll feel a little bit more snug and not as much range of motion in it, but so far it's good. But I will talk to y'all when I get to the shop and meet up with the boys. All right, I'm out. Gixxer 600 ZX6R 636. Looks like he has some Shogun sliders, that M4 exhaust, and a stock everything else. Looks like an old 636, looking from 03. But got the front axle sliders too in the rear. Got a chopper behind us too. That scared me. That's funny. I didn't even know he was coming up in there. I just farted. Oh shoot! What? Shoot! What in the hell was that? Hello, Granny. That's how old people get their mail right there. They don't even walk to the mailbox. They drive there and then get out, get their mail and drive back. That's how you know you're old right there.